Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an outro for your videos. So let's get started. Last tutorial I showed you how to get Photoshop. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an outro. So the first thing you wanna do is go to Files and click New. And just copy all my settings here. So 1920 by 1080. It needs to be pixels. I'm gonna title it outro 5. 5. There we go. 8-bit RGB colors, pixels, centimeters, and it needs to be transparent. And just click OK. And here, this square needs to be white, and you need to go to a paint bucket. If you don't see the paint bucket at first, you can just right click it and you'll find the paint bucket tool. If you don't know how to change this color, just click on it and go find white. It should be FFFFF if you can't find it. So yeah, now click on the transparent image and it should turn white. So the next thing you want to do is go here, right click it and hit blending options. Now what you want to do is go down to gradient overlay, and your image will be like this, something like this, you know. Now what you're gonna do is click on gradient. You're gonna click on this one, this little square. Now you're gonna find the color you want. I need a purple outro for my new video, so I'm gonna make a purple outro. And right here you can also click this square and you find another color. You can mix around a bit, you know, make it look awesome. You can even mix some red, which is pretty nice. I didn't know it would turn good like this, and blue as well, maybe like a little brighter blue. Whoa, this looks cool. I'm gonna keep it like this and hit OK and hit OK. So the next thing you guys want to do is go here and take this little square rectangle tool, you know, take this and click on the screen. Now here you want to type in 900 by 506, just like this, and then you're gonna hit OK. And I think I filled in the stroke, so what you're gonna do to remove it is just gonna go undo, and here where it says fill, you need to put this on, and on stroke you need to put white. So that's how you do it. And now just do the same thing again. Alright, wait a second, this needs to be on 6 pt, so we're gonna put 6 pt here, click on the screen. Now here we're gonna type in 900 by 506, and then you're gonna hit OK. So the next thing you want to do, guys, is hit Control A on your keyboard, and it will mark everything here, you know. And now you go to Layer, you go to Align Layers by Selection, Horizontal Centers, and you do the same thing again, just with vertical centers. And this will take it on the middle of the screen, you know. And yeah. Now to deselect everything, you're gonna hit Control D on your keyboard. Alright, so this is looking good so far. Now a thing you can do now is go right click on here where it says rectangle 1 and hit blending options, and you can click drop shadow and put a stroke on it, so this way it looks a bit more realistic and good. And now what you can do is go here, take some text. I don't know which size I'm gonna make it. I think this is a good enough size. We're gonna find a good font. If you guys don't know where to find font, I'm gonna make a tutorial in 3 days how to get some good fonts and how to install them and everything. But I haven't installed any fonts yet because my PC is still new. So I'm gonna, let's see, maybe use this font. I think this is an awesome font. And what I usually do, as you maybe saw in my last two videos, I usually write previous video. Alright, and now just hit like this, Control T. You need to click Control T to mark it, and you hold Shift, and then you just, you know, resize the font a little bit. And let's say we put it around here. Alright, and click OK. Now hit Control A once again, go to Layer, go to Align Layers by Selection and Horizontal Centers. Now it is horizontally placed. Now hit Control D. Now what you can do to make the text look better is go here, hit Blending Options, go to Stroke, Drop Shadow, Color Overlay, pick one color. How would it look with purple? I don't like it. Maybe red, no, blue. You can experiment with it, you know, do all kinds of different stuff. You can almost not see this, but I am just gonna keep it. Actually, pink is pretty good color. I'm gonna keep pink, but no, I'm gonna pick white, I think. Maybe like this. Yeah, I'm gonna pick white. So hit OK, hit OK. Alright. So you want to have some links for your Twitter account or Instagram or maybe Facebook page or I don't know, Snapchat, Twitch account. So that's what I'm gonna show you how to do now. You need to download some PNG images. You basically tab into the Google and you search like Twitter logo PNG and it will come as transparent image. I can show you some of them I have the Instagram here, so hold Shift to resize it and just do it like this. I'm gonna take it down to like 4 maybe. 4 is a pretty nice size. Let's put it here somewhere. I think this is a good spot for the Instagram. So yeah. Now what we are gonna do, we're gonna put in some text once again. Make the text a size 24. Let's make it a 30. And basically what you're gonna do here, guys, is just add and then your name. Let's say it like that. Alright, but I'm gonna add in my name, so yeah. What? I screwed something up. I caps lock right there. Alright, and then hit OK. Then hit Control T and resize it a little bit. Now if you want to move your Instagram logo a bit, you can just do that by going back on here where the little one under here, no, and you click Control T and then you can move it a bit, but I think mine is pretty good. So yeah, you can also add a stroke and a shadow on the logo here so it looks more fancy. Try to put a stroke on. Actually I like it with the stroke, so I'm gonna leave it with the stroke. Now do the same thing for the text. Drop the shadow and put a stroke on it. There we go. Now it looks just crispy enough, you know. Now let's put in Twitter. I also have a PNG image of Twitter. That one is gonna be 4.5, let's say, because it's a little bit smaller. Actually, let's make it a tiny bit smaller than that. Oops, there you go, we screwed it up. So yeah, let's put it in again. There we go. Hold Shift, resize it, and there we go. Maybe this is good, and I'm gonna put mine over here. There we go. Put some text. Let's see. Alright, so add, oh my god, add Philip Meister 1. Alright. Okay, and then we're gonna hit OK, and we're gonna hit Control T, put it over here, resize it a little bit to the smaller size. We're gonna click OK. We're gonna go to the Twitter bird, gonna hit blending options, drop shadow, and put a stroke on it like this. Now we're gonna go to the text, hit blending options, hit drop shadows, and a stroke. There we go, guys. Now one more thing you can do is add a subscribe button, I think. So yeah, I have one here. Now I want to add it down here, so we're just gonna resize it a little bit. There we go. Let's say we put it around here, and then you just hit Control A once again, go to layers, align layers, and horizontally align it, and then Control D to deselect. Now we're also gonna add some stuff to this, drop shadow and a stroke. There we go. And that's it, guys. I think that is the outro I want to do. I left some space here so you can put in so people can click subscribe on your channel, and you can have a little video going on here as well. And basically you put in your video here. I'm also gonna make a tutorial on how to put videos on outros, so but that will be another time, guys. But see you guys in the next video. Peace out.